Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to meet you again. Welcome to our channel, Semaga English Podcast, The Pioneers, with me, Mr. Jainul. Well, today is Thursday, June the 5th, 2025. We are here to practice and to improve our English by having some daily conversation. Right now, I have a guest. He is Mr. Rofi, but I would like to Mr. Rofi to introduce himself to the audience. Come on, Mr. Rofi, say something.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you very much for the time that was given to me by Mr. Zainul.
Yes.
And
Your Darwish.
yes, what's your name about?
Rahmat.
Rahmat. Thank you very much for the time that was given to me for this podcast. Let me try to introduce myself.
Okay.
My name is Rofi Imron, and I live in Tikung Village. I was born in 24th October 1987.
87.
Yes, of
So
course.
how old are you now, Mr.?
Now 39.
39.
39.
Okay, good.
39.
Next.
And then I have a job in SMA 3 Lumajang as a administration office, but
Okay.
my place is in canteen.
Oh,
as
so
a canteen keeper.
okay,
As a
good.
canteen
So
keeper.
Mr. Rofi is including the employee of Senior High School 3 Lumajang officer, and he is in the canteen department. Is that
Yes,
right?
canteen department.
How long have you been working here, Mr. Rofi?
Alhamdulillah, that was about 18 years.
18 years.
From January 2007.
Okay, good. Wow, 18 years.
And
For a
then-
long time for Mr. Rofi to work in
Yes.
Senior High School 3 Lumajang, yeah? Mr. Rofi, do you have wife?
Of course, sir. Alhamdulillah,
okay.
I have
And then how
one.
many children do you have?
One.
One
Son.
children, one son.
One
Okay,
son.
how old is your son?
My son is 10.
10 years old.
10 years old.
And
10
so
years old.
he now studies in elementary school.
Yes, in
Which-
SDIT Ar-Rahmah Tukung.
Okay, SDIT Ar-Rahmah Tukung. He is in the what class?
Fourth.
Fourth class.
Fourth grade.
Okay. Mr. Rofi, besides you working in Senior High School 3 Lumajang, do you have any activities in your home?
Alhamdulillah, sir.
Yes.
I have.
What is that?
Sometimes I'm taking rest.
Taking grass,
Yes.
grass for your
For
cow?
my cow. For
Oh,
my cow.
gosh. How many
sometimes.
cows do you have?
Only one.
Only one, but
Because
you are including rich, yeah?
yes,
You have one
after
cow.
the PMK disease
Uh-huh.
about 3 years ago,
Uh-huh.
my cow is passed away. One.
Wow, that's too bad. I'm so sorry to hear
Yes,
that.
yes. Never mind, sir. Never mind.
And then how old is your cow now?
About 2 years old.
2 years?
old. Last night, she was born. Apa ya? Yes.
Sheep-bear.
Yes, sheep-bear.
Oh,
Sheep-bear.
sheep-bear. A
Sheep-bear.
baby of cows,
Yeah,
yeah?
a baby of cows.
Wow.
A baby of
How many
cows.
babies?
Only one.
One
sir.
only, okay. That's good for you.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
You have successful to duplicate the
Yes,
cows, yeah?
of
From
course.
one to become two.
That because of my parents, sir.
Your
My
parents.
parents helps me.
Oh, I see.
Not me, not I help my parents, but my parents help me.
Okay. I mean that it is not only you, but your
Yes,
parents help you
my
to,
parents,
to
yes,
take
of
care of the
course,
cow,
yes.
yeah? What is your future? What do you want with your cows? Do you want to multiply them by
Yes.
by something, for example?
No, sir. I just want to buy a cow again, and I want to give someone to take care about it.
Oh, see.
To take
So
care
you
about-
don't take care by yourself.
No, no.
Why? Why?
Because of my activities here is need more time, sir.
Oh.
Need more time. So I have to spend my spare time, and of course I have to divide my time in order it will not disturb my another activities,
Okay,
sir.
So you want to divide and you want to manage your
Yes,
time.
yes,
Beside here
yes,
in your home
yes.
and activities in your home didn't disturb your job
Yes,
here. This
yes,
one,
sir.
okay. So how many hours do you work in Senayan High School, Tri Lumajang?
From 6 o'clock I have to.
6 o'clock in the
I have
morning,
here,
yeah?
yes.
Okay, you have to
Until
come here?
usually 4.
At 4 o'clock in the
At 4
morning, in
o'clock.
the afternoon?
In the afternoon.
Okay, sure. And then besides serve the student for buying something, for buying some food here, what else do you do?
Usually, and of course, I have to clean the mosque because
Okay.
that's one of my job. I have to.
So
clean
you are the mosque keeper, yeah?
Yes, the mosque
Okay.
keeper, and I have to make a report for
Mhm.
the result from transaction of this canteen. sir.
Okay, good. So you are someone who has a responsibility
Yes.
for the cleanliness of the mosque. Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Okay, good. And then who has adhan, for example, for duhur and asar?
Usually me sometimes.
Yourself?
Sometimes.
Don't you try to make some schedule for the student who wants to get adhan in the afternoon?
Yes, of
And then,
course, sir.
yeah.
But that's not my
Responsibility.
Yes, my responsibility.
So you can ask to Mr. Aam maybe, yeah?
Yes, of
Mr.
course,
Aam, please
sir.
try help me by making some schedule for the student to have adhan for duhur and asar, yeah?
Yes, usually I want to make this schedule like that, sir.
Mm.
But that's not my responsibility. So that's not my responsible. So I have.
Okay, maybe for this time, for this opportunity, I will ask to Mr. Aam,
Uh-huh.
Mr. Ijudin, and Mr. Hendra,
Yes,
yeah?
of course, sir.
Please,
Thank you.
Mr. Hendra, Mr. Ijudin, and Mr. Aam, help Mr. Imron
Rafi.
to make a schedule
for
for the
Adhan.
student for adhan duhur and asar. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it will be lighter for you to do this job.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Besides keeping the canteen,
Mhm.
keeping the mosque, what else do you do here?
Sometimes long time ago I have to send a letter for this school.
Send a letter.
I send a letter.
Okay. So
Send a
today
letter.
there is no
As
letter
a
anymore. Yeah?
postman.
So the postman, special
Yeah.
postman for Smarga.
For
yeah?
this Smarga, for
But
Smarga.
today there is no letters anymore.
Yes,
Yeah?
there is no
Everything,
letter, so
everything is sent by handphone.
by handphone.
The letter sent by handphone.
Soft copy.
Yeah, soft copy only.
Soft
Yeah.
copy.
And then what else? Do you keep some jar or maybe in the part of the school to clean? For example, behind jar.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Front jar.
Just around of this room.
This room
Around
only.
this
Yeah.
canteen, yes. and the
So
mosque.
you must keep the cleanliness of the canteen surrounding
Mhm.
canteen. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. There is
Yes.
nothing more else.
Nothing, sir.
Okay.
Nothing.
So next, after you going home from the school at
Mhm.
4 o'clock, and then what is your activities usually in your environment?
Sometimes, yeah, taking a rest. Sometimes after that, in the sunset prayer.
Mm-hmm.
Sunset prayer after Maghrib prayer.
Okay.
Usually, and on night Wednesday,
Mm-hmm.
usually I have a Jamia.
Okay,
Jamia.
Wednesday night, yeah.
Yes.
So last
On
night, yeah.
Wednesday night. Yes.
Last night, okay. What
Last night.
kind of jamia there?
It's about it's Al-Banjari, sir.
Al Banjari. Oh,
Al-Banjari,
it is
Al-Banjari.
one of the art
One of the art
yeah,
of Islamic.
singing the solawat.
Yes,
singing
singing solawat.
How many
Singing
member is the jamia?
Alhamdulillah, until 80
18 personal
personal.
members.
No. The personal is about 50, sir. 15, sir.
15, yeah. Okay,
15, but we have support. We get support from around of people there.
Mhm.
It's about until 80 people.
80 people.
80 people.
80 people.
80 people.
Wow.
80 people.
80
Alhamdulillah, sir.
orang ya.
Yes.
So
So,
it will be
I have
crowded in one
to
house.
finish the circle arisan, sir.
Okay. That's
I
okay,
have to
arisan.
finish it until 2 years.
2 years. So it means that from
Yes.
80
every week,
80 member,
80 member.
1 week there will be 1.
Yes.
So in 1 month there will be 4.
4.
So the 80 divided by 4 will be 20
21.
20 months. 20
Yes.
months. Yeah, almost 2
It's
years.
about
Yeah.
2 years. About
Almost 2 years.
yes.
Okay. How much for the fee for the pay?
For the
The
pay
payment.
arisan is about 50,000.
50,000
Yes.
for 1 member. Yeah.
Yes, we make a rule to limit the pay for this arisan is 50,000, sir.
So if the 50,000 for one person for one member times 80 members, it will be 4 million.
Yes, of
4
course.
million for
Yes.
one arisan. For me.
Yes,
Wow.
yes. Alhamdulillah.
That's very
sir.
big.
Alhamdulillah.
Usually it will be result for the food and the drink that the host
we can give the food to and drink to the people free.
free. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
up to the up to the people who get the arisan,
Yeah.
sir.
Up to the host of the
Up
host.
to the
Yeah.
house, yeah. Up to the
I-
house.
I'm so surprised because it's the first time for me to know that the information from you, the member of pengajian every
Yes.
week they got about 4 million.
Yes, for
Every
me.
week.
Yes, every week.
That's very big.
Alhamdulillah, sir.
Usually in my environment is only 200,000. Yeah, 300,000.
Yes.
It will be enough
Ah.
to buy some food and drink and some cigarette maybe, yeah.
So
Because
good.
for the men usually like me,
Uh-huh.
we do like not only food and drink, but also the cigarette. Yeah, gitu. Okay, what about your wife? What is your wife activities?
My
besides here?
my wife activities is similar with me, sir, in this school, but
Yeah.
she stays in administration office.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes help ma'am uni
Yes.
to manage about money.
Okay. So she
But
helps
it's good.
Mrs. Uni as the treasurer.
Yes.
Bendara ya, the
Yes,
treasurer
treasurer.
to manage the money,
Yes.
to deliver to the
deliver,
teachers and
yes.
employee and extra.
Yes.
Wow. Well, I think it's enough, Mr. Robbie.
Yes, thank
I
you
think
very
it
much,
is very
sir.
good, and I am very thank you to you.
Yes, sir.
Now, audience, we just talk about something with Mr. Rafi'i. Now, you know, Mr. Rafi'i not only the canteen keeper, but exactly
But
he is
sorry,
the
sir.
best English. Yeah.
Sorry because
Although
long
he
time.
is a canteen keeper, but his English very good. So every one of you, the student of Smaga, if you want to practice your English, maybe you are shy with me, you can practice your English with
Yes,
Mr.
of
Rafi.
course.
Every
Inshallah.
time, everywhere
Inshallah,
in
I'm ready.
Smaga.
Inshallah,
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay, I think it's enough for today. Thank
Yes,
you,
thank
Mr.
very much,
Rafi.
sir. Yes, welcome, sir.
Yeah, and then see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.